At the front you can see New Kuta Beach or New Kuta Golf, old name, 900 hectares of private owned land in Uluwatu, Pechatu. And together with Winnie, we're gonna show you what is inside.
When you first enter this area in Pechatu Resort area, so first of all you will see the house of prayer for all nations. It means that in this area you will see in the, like temple, church, mosque, Catholic church, Christian church at the beginning of this area, because this is just like a huge resort area around 900 hectares, and also will be inside the golf area. See that there are so many resorts here: Swiss Bell Resort Pechatu, Bougainville Villas, the Sterling, Windham Dreamland, and other resorts. So let's explore more what is inside the Pechatu Resort area. So like what I explained before, this is a huge piece of land, and behind me this is one of abandoned resort that is still, like lifestyle investment, still like under construction, but actually already left abandoned.
And this is the very huge wide road. At the front is the ocean, and you can see the perspective how big is this land.
The first hotel that we see which is operating is the Swiss Bell Resort Dreamland. I think that this hotel is operating well. I mean, that's still well maintained, as we see that some cars on the lobby. So yeah, but it still looks so quiet. So on the left side here is also another abandoned resort. You see the construction already built, but it's just left abandoned. And here is the New Kuta Golf. So you see, this one is the place where if you want to play golf, they have like a big, what is it called? Golf course. I know that once we showing you the golf course in Bedugul, but here this one is the closest one in the South Bali. You see the golf course here. Right in front of me is another resort. It's called the Sterling. You see that the building, the construction is just still left abandoned. It was built, I think it was built in 1990s. And yeah, it's just left abandoned, never finished. And the next resort is called Windham Dreamland. So I don't know this resort is operating or not, but from outside, even there is no security, so it will be. And right in front of me, also just another left abandoned resort. I don't know guys, maybe you can help me to count how many left abandoned resort that you already see. This is what I show you as another left abandoned resort.
And yeah, I think some villas here also. Actually, somebody living here in the villa, but
yeah, in Pechatu Resort area is also famous for the luxurious housing complex or estate, like this one, whole 17 estate. You see, I think that somebody staying there, and the golfers in the front. Slow down. So yes, I think that this is the backstage of the Balangan. And look, this hotel seems like the lights there, but I don't think so. It's operating. It's just like left abandoned building.
And here we have something very interesting. This is like a operation for shopping mall. Like, it's even hard to describe right now. I don't remember when I was here long time ago, like years ago, there was something like ketchup dance and stuff like this. But right now it looks like a real ghost land, something like this. I mean, totally deserted.
So we will just drive around to show you how it is.
It's sad.
Even there is an entrance, you know, just like ticket office in the front. So, oh, even the water park here, you see there is a slide inside. Is really harsh reality of the abandoned, you know, luxuries kind of abandoned resort. Honey, where are we going?
I don't know, I got lost. Somebody asked me if I ever get lost. Yes, right now in abandoned land.
That in front of me is the water park, abandoned one. Oh my god, I can already feel the vibe of the ghosty, left abandoned, what is it called?
Hold on, sayang. Nicki Minaj gonna comment if she saw the ghost here. Because Nicki always see the ghost in the places like this. Anyway, no more jokes here. As you see, it's supposed to be the another entrance. Here is even like still parking fees. How much is it?
And here is another entrance to the left abandoned
Something.
theme park, I guess. So yeah, I think this is the area of the, you know, like the stage for the kecak dance. You see, even there is a light there, and inside is the stage, the writing of Selamat Datang. It's just like left abandoned. This is the area of new Kuta Hotel Pecatu Bali. Even there is no security. Oh my goodness, look at this hotel.
The huge one.
The huge 5-star resort which is left abandoned. Oh my goodness. You see? It's just like empty building, ghost building.
And the interesting fact is that was the plan, first plan, original plan was to be another Nusa Dua, another second luxurious place after Nusa Dua. But something went wrong, unfortunately.
You see? Even this one is the entrance. So we are going to the, what is it called? Dreamland Beach. So whenever you want to go to Dreamland Beach, you will pass the Windham Resort first.
Or at least what is left after Windham Resort, because it's closed. So this is the entrance to the Dreamland Beach, and it's a little bit changed when I was last time here. I mean, the last time was so busy here and, well, much more cleaner, I could say. But, well, this is the entrance. There's supposed to be so many warungs, and here is the river, like this. This beach was very famous through the Russian people, especially long time ago. Even some warungs are still open here, which is big surprise. Hello. But I think only one. Let's see what is on the beach. This part of the Uluwatu Peninsula, this is probably the biggest tragic, because such a huge land, such a big potential, and something went wrong, that's for sure. Sad. Anyway, Dreamland Beach is very nice.
Alright, so as you hear the big loud music on the top, that is actually the Kelapa Beach Club. I think that Kelapa Beach Club, long time ago, it was so famous and so hype in the Dreamland area. So yeah, now let's see how it is the beach nowadays. Is it many people or not? So let's go.
Welcome to Dreamland Beach, Pantai Dreamland. Looks not that much optimistic when you enter the beach, but the beach itself, a little bit of local life, Ganesh, and here supposed to be very busy warung, beachfront warung, years ago.
I remember that the last years, I mean like few years ago, were so many hypes, and you know, like this beach, I mean like this sitting area is almost full of people. But now you can choose wherever you sit.
Well, no problems with the beachfront sittings. And then nice statue and the entrance to the beach. Beach also very quiet, the guy doing something.
So maybe most of you have already known or maybe not known about this Pecatu Resort area and then the Dreamland area. Well, this dreamland area is actually owned by the son of the previous president, the son of Mr. Suharto, who is called Tommy Suharto. So long time ago, this is called dreamland because, you know, long time ago in 1990s, this land is just like a dream for the people surrounding of this area, because they believe like this resort area will bring the hope for them, because the people, the villagers around this area, normally they are just famous, and then in 1990s they built like such a big huge resort area, and they believe this one's gonna be the hope for them. And then in 1990s, 1998, when the economic crisis hits Indonesia, so as you see that many resort which is abandoned, which is already, you know, like the construction already built, but still we can find that the investment then gone bankruptcy, and then they just left it abandoned.
Alright, so we are working on the dreamland and we met our friends, actually the viewers from India. So
Yeah.
what's your name, brother?
My name is Rishi, guys.
Alright, and what are you doing? How is Bali? Everything is fine.
Bali is very good, very good. The land of paradise. I love Bali. And recently we moved to the Bali and we are living in the Jalan Pati Jalantik. And we have also our restaurant named Thrills Bali.
So what is the restaurant? Is the Indian or?
Is Indian and Singapore food.
Alright, so for every Indian people, Singaporean, if you would like to try, visit his place in Legian, maybe I will visit also, so you can see how is it inside.
Yeah, so when you come to Bali?
I come in June 2021 this year. And we...
Just before lockdown.
Just before. And,
That's it.
and we hope so that in future, this new year, we will have more tourists from outside, because we are hoping for the best. Guys from India, namaste, sat sri akal, and we are in Bali, guys. You can come to our restaurant and have a nice food, nice taste of India and Singapore, guys.
And hopefully more Indian brothers and sisters will come to Bali soon, and all around the world. Anyway, Dreamland Beach is waiting. Okay, thank you, brother.
Thank you, guys.
There is the Kelapa Beach Resort, and then behind the Kelapa Beach Resort, there is called Jumeirah Resort. Well, Jumeirah, I think that this is the Arab resort, right, honey? Owned by the Arab.
Yeah, from UAE, yeah, from Dubai or somewhere. Big investment, however, well, they start in the pretty difficult times.
So, and then this one in this beach, long time ago, they said many hippies coming here, you know, like sunbathing naked. But it was a long time ago. But now, it's just like this area of the 5-star resort, but the resort is just left abandoned. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Little bit tour in the area of the Pecatu Indah Resort. Maybe you can help me, how many resorts that you already count abandoned? So yeah, maybe you can help me about that. Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!